So what you're seeing right here is the first hero panel of the season 14 Barry Newbury TARDIS. And one of the things I like about it is that when you press these buttons, they make such a clinky sound. And we got potentiometers here. So, you know. And this piece of plastic stays on now. And you can sort of see through the material, which I like. And so it can probably be hooked up to lighting when I find out how to do that. So that's the first panel right there, which I think is pretty. Here's the blue panel, which I've got all potentiometers up here, and it's wonderful clinky sounds, and I like that. And interestingly enough, when we saw the originals, we saw that there were holes drilled down here. So the original people who put together the Newbury TARDIS, probably Barry Newbury himself, or perhaps some guy who got paid practically nothing. I'm not sure. Maybe they're the same people in that respect. So anyways, this is the blue one. Then we go to an additional orange computer thing. This one has clickety-bunchities. You can see there's minor imperfections and the burning of plastic, but the special acrylic material. I've got this material, Sy-Grip 16 fast set, clear, medium, bonded, solvent, cement. So basically it melts acrylic together. And then, just to complete that up, here's my final panel. Now, during making this, I had a crack that went from here, goes to there. There's a crack between those two, and there's a tiny crack goes from there. So it goes from here to here, to there, to there. And there's one that goes from there to there. But at this point, I think I'm happy with the outcome. So those are my panels for the moment. The next thing I got to do is figure out the the circumradius of the hexagon that would be the base of these, because I'm trying to make the boxes, the depressed boxes that they have for the control panel here. So I want to make sure that it does that and has solid wood and looks nice. And then I'll have a flap that folds over this. So that's what we got so far. I think that these are pretty nice looking, and I figure this is just a piece of art that I'm making for myself. So it's got to have the clackety buttons, which are the important part, and any like chewing along the plastic, like along here, or little bits of burnt plasticky stuff. I had to replace a couple of buttons. Yeah, I know. So anyways, that's the controls of the TARDIS. Sorry about that. Slipped into a main accent for a second. And I guess you can see my tree in the reflection. So that's what I have so far.